of human creativity, few mediums have captured the imagination as profoundly as wood, a material both humble and majestic. From the dawn of civilization, ancient artisans harnessed the beauty and versatility of wood to create art that transcended mere functionality, giving rise to an enduring legacy of craftsmanship that echoes through time. The story of ancient wood art begins with the earliest human societies, where wood was not only a resource for survival, but also a canvas for expression. In the forests of Mesopotamia, craftsmen carved intricate designs into wooden objects, often using tools made from stone and bone. These early works laid the foundation for what would become a rich tradition of woodworking across various cultures. As we delve deeper into the ancient world, we find ourselves in Egypt, where wood took on a sacred significance. The Egyptians revered trees as symbols of life and regeneration, believing that they were gifts from the gods. This reverence is evident in their wooden artifacts, which ranged from everyday household items to elaborate ceremonial pieces. One of the most remarkable examples is the beautifully crafted wooden sarcophagi designed to house the deceased in their journey to the afterlife. These coffins were adorned with hieroglyphics and intricate carvings depicting scenes from mythology and daily life, showcasing not only the skill of the artisans, but also the spiritual beliefs of the culture. Moving across continents to ancient China, we encounter a different yet equally fascinating approach to wood art. Chinese craftsmen excelled in the creation of furniture and decorative items that reflected their philosophical beliefs. The use of hardwoods like rosewood and mahogany allowed artisans to produce pieces that were not only functional, but also aesthetically pleasing. The intricate joinery techniques developed during this period are still admired today for their precision and elegance. Moreover, the practice of woodblock printing emerged during this time, revolutionizing the dissemination of literature and art throughout society. This innovation highlights how wood was not merely a medium for sculpture or furniture, but also a vital tool for communication and cultural exchange. In the Americas, Indigenous cultures also showcased their deep connection to wood through art. The Native American tribes of the Pacific Northwest are particularly renowned for their totem poles and intricately carved masks. These artworks served as both spiritual symbols and historical narratives, telling stories of ancestry, community, and nature. The craftsmanship involved in creating these pieces was passed down through generations, highlighting a profound respect for both the material and the cultural significance it embodied. Each carving was meticulously designed, with every figure representing a specific meaning or value within the tribe's belief system. Meanwhile, in Africa, wood art flourished with diverse expressions across various regions. The Yoruba people of Nigeria are celebrated for their wooden sculptures that often depict deities and ancestral figures. These sculptures are not merely decorative, they play a crucial role in religious ceremonies and community rituals, embodying the spiritual essence of their subjects. The craftsmanship involved in these works is a testament to the artisan's understanding of both form and function, as they skillfully balance aesthetic appeal with cultural significance. As we explore these diverse forms of artistic wood decor, it becomes evident that each culture has its unique approach to woodworking, yet common themes emerge: a connection to nature, a celebration of craftsmanship, and a deep respect for tradition. The techniques developed by ancient artisans continue to inspire contemporary woodworkers who seek to honor these legacies while innovating new forms of expression. Today, modern artisans draw upon these ancient traditions to create pieces that resonate with contemporary audiences while paying homage to the past. Whether through handcrafted furniture that incorporates traditional joinery techniques or sculptures that reflect ancient motifs, the spirit of artistic wood decor endures. As we appreciate these works, we recognize that they are not merely objects. They are vessels of history, culture, and creativity that invite us to connect with the stories they tell. In conclusion, artistic wood decor is a testament to humanity's enduring relationship with nature and creativity. From the intricately carved furniture of ancient Greece to the spiritually significant sculptures of Africa, each piece embodies a unique narrative that reflects the values and beliefs of its culture. As we celebrate this rich heritage, let us remember that every carved figure, every beautifully crafted object carries with it the essence of those who came before us, a reminder of our shared humanity and the timeless beauty found in artistic expression.